Hey guys, Dwayne Binary Trader. How's everybody doing today? Everybody's good. Let me see. Hey, how you doing, Derek? Alicia? How y'all guys doing? Yes, we're about to get started. Don't worry, it's not gonna be too long. I'm gonna try to explain it as best as I can. Um, Probably at least I just want to spend 30 minutes so get everything, all the questions answered, Q&A at the end, and everything like that. Yes, I'm still in the Virgin Islands. Yes, I am. I just want to let people get into the chat room before we start. Probably another minute or so. Oh yeah, the islands are beautiful. I can't complain. I can't complain. Wi-Fi's got a lot better, so I've been able to make a lot more trades. Hello, Eric and Kevin. How y'all guys doing? Yes, I remember you, Bianca. Okay, we got about 200 people in here now. But let's get started. Hey guys, how everybody doing? It's Dwayne Binary Trader. Today on this live webinar chat, we're going to talk about a trade strategy that I truly love, dear to heart, and I call it the thief trader. Now, for those who do not know what the thief trader is, here's the best explanation in real life and trading life of how a thief trader, how I'm trying to explain what a thief trader is. So in real life, let's say there's a thief, right? He's not gonna go rob a house in a straight daylight. Why? Because everybody's going to see him. Everybody's going to notice what he's doing, and they're going to be able to react a lot faster. No one's just going to let you sit in there and rob their house while they're wide awake, correct? So that's why thieves rob at night, late at night when people are sleeping, not a lot of activity moving around the house, so they don't notice things, correct? Or they're not even at the house, correct? Same tactic applies in the forex currency binary world. You don't want to make binary trades in the morning market. Why? Because that's when everybody's coming in. Yes, correct, Eric. Yes, you'll get seen very easily. Yes, everybody will come in. It'll be very hard to trade because it's so volatile. The volume's crazy. You'll never truly know which trend or direction is going in unless some type of news helps that trend push it that direction. Yes, yes, that's what. Yes, yes, Eric. Yeah. So I say you don't want to trade during the day, right? The best time to trade the thief trader is during lunchtime. Why? Because that's when all the investors and all the big banks are out going getting something to eat. Eating their lunch. They're not making the market move. So lunchtime is probably about 11 to 1, 12 to 1. Probably the best time um, to trade or place contracts for binary options. And the best time to do it also is nighttime because around 6 to 11 p.m. because big investors and banks are getting out the office at 5. The volatility has died majorly, right? So, and the reason why you want to do that, usually during those times, whatever the trend is during the day that's usually how the trend is going to continue happening until another session comes into the play. And you always want to get your money in before that next session comes. And that's what makes trading, that's what the thief trader is such a great strategy because it's a high percentage return on a rate. I'm talking about 80% return rate. It almost works almost every single time. And of course, no strategy is always 100% perfect. As you know, in the trading world, if someone tells you that, that is a straight bullshit lie. And everybody knows that. No one's 100%. So let's go ahead and get into this strategy, guys and females, gentlemen and scholars. I said this trade is called the thief trader. Now, it's 5:18 p.m. The market's closed, of course, at the time I'm recording this. Well, let's pretend this is Thursday, for example, going into Friday. It's 5 p.m. People are getting out of the office. People's closing down, right? If the market, look at the overall, this is a 5-minute candlestick chart, right? On a 5-minute Aussie dollar chart. As you can see, the trend is a downtrend, right? It's a downtrend. So we want to place put options, which means we want to have sell contracts, not buy, because we don't want to try to fight the trend. We don't want to fight the bottom. You get what I'm saying? We always want to follow the trend. So as you can see, we can clearly see it's a downtrend, right? Now once we notice it's a downtrend, what do we do, guys? Exactly. Wait for a pullback. You trade on the pullbacks, right? Now, I said this thing is very simple, right? As a ninja trader, we're not looking for breakouts. We're not trying to trade breakouts or sellouts. We're following the pattern, right? So, for example, let's say you see the downtrend, right? Let's say we came around this time. Now, we know it's in a downtrend. We see this downtrend. We're like, okay, cool, right? What happens? We wait for a pullback. Wait for a pullback to about right here, right? Why would we trade this candlestick instead of this candlestick? Does anybody know? Nobody? The reason why we'll trade this candlestick right here, wait for this. We'll trade after this candlestick's closed, because this will make a true definition of what's going to happen. More than likely, it's going to go back down, right? Because we won't trade this one, because look at the close of that wick, right? That's a semi-closed wick. We don't want to trade those type of wicks. You know, right here we could have traded it, right? But look at, it's a doji. It's a doji. You gotta be careful. If you get one like this, right? I would suggest waiting for another 5 minutes, right? Once you get a confirmation again of saying, okay, we're struggling to get past this area, right? Then that's when you want to buy a sell call option. Put option, right? You probably, if the price is right here and it says, will it be higher than this price right here? Wait till the price shoots up. Say no, and then it's going to go down. And once it goes down, as you see, it closed right here. Now, in 5-minute, if it closes right there, depending on how many contracts you can make up to $100 to $1,000, $5,000, depending on how much money you have in your account. You can make a lot of money just off of that, right? After you see that, then boom, okay, you get the trade down. Now look, right? Wait for another pullback, because it's hard to trade a pullback it's hard to trade another candle, right? So as you see, it's down, and then what happens? It shoots up, right? And then look at that. Look at this wick. Look at that buying power. Look at the selling power. It shot all the way back down. It's right here. Closes. Right, there goes the pullback entry. That was the pullback. You enter here, where you wait till the price says will be higher than this right here. It pulls up, say no, and you sell it. Look where it closed. It went all the way down, but it closed right here. You made money, right? Then look, it pulled like so. You can now. This is where I will watch out for. If you see another rise now, okay, we wait, see where it closes. It closed pretty high. Now this is where we wouldn't wait for this trade. This is where the thief trade is pretty much useless right now, because we don't know the determination if it's going to be an uptrend or downtrend anymore, right? So then let's say we wait about another 20-30 minutes, and then it pulls back down. It stutters, it pulls. You don't know, you wait for a pullback. You have to be patient. Pullback right here, boom, right? And now see, we don't have to wait for multiple candlesticks, because this is a 5-minute chart. It's not like an hour chart, but we want to have several candles of a pullback. So after you see this, now the reaction of this trade right here, be careful. If you see a wick pop up this high, right, just like this wick, wait for close. Don't wait for the close of this one. Remember, this was a green wick. We was already not going to trade that, right? But we already had the green wick. and it didn't close. So we wouldn't be making this trade. We'd be like, okay, it's still uptrend. Even though it pulled down, down, right? Now we had this one pull up again, mining pullback. We see how high. Okay, cool. Sell it? No. We'd be like, we want to sell it. Right now, we would have been 3 for 3 in the contract. You see how easy the thief trader is working? Because we're following the downtrend. If it was trying to play the uptrend, obviously we would have lost. Now let's go look at another chart to the euro US dollar and see the same example. All right. Now in the last few hours, it's in a downtrend. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna play the pullback. Okay. So, and as you can see, it works, right? I'm gonna keep it real simple here. You see how it pulled up, and you could trade the down. Boom. You would probably make money in that area right there. So let's say we go into the right here, the recent past, right? He's going downtrend. Look, going in downtrend. Here it goes. Candle wick barely closes green. Closes high green. Oh shit, I lost it. Whoa, I just lost my fucking nail. There you go. And closes high green. We're gonna see. Okay, when I took this trade, we wait for a pullback, right? We see where this is. We see the major pullback. Okay, this will be a little opportunity, right? But if you see that little shot, hits that level again, right? I would say no, and then look, sell. Boom. Wait for a little pullback, right? A little mid close. You see it go a little higher. It closes red. Wait to see what. Then we trade this candle for a sell. Boom. So you could do this on any market condition, okay? Any market condition, uptrend, downtrend. Let's let me go to USD CAD. Let's go for an uptrend. I know this is uptrending, right? Yeah. Okay. So as you can see, it's an uptrending market, right? Now let's go to the recent past. Now you see it's in an uptrend market, right? Now what you do? You see it go up. You wait for that pullback. Wait for the pullback. Right? You see that was a full red close? No, we don't want that. We won't want that. You see, but the price got smaller here. So we be patient. We see the price got smaller again, which means we're not getting that many sellers. It pulls back, it closes, we get in this trade, it pulls down a little, say yes. And to say yes, it'll be higher than its price, but it pulled down, so the contract will be better in your favor. And then next 5 minutes, boom, you're in profit, right? Wait for a pullback, no pullback yet. Pull back, see pressure here, let it draw down a little, buy it, and what it pulled up, right? And see, wait for again. Here go downtrend, no pullback entry, not yet. There is no tight close. Here would have been probably a great entry, but we would have lost. We would have, everybody take the L's. No one's perfect. So, okay, we lost that. So we wait for another pullback. Boom, you see that little you see that little close right here? Signal. Buy it, buy the signal, buy it up. You're in the money. Wait for a pullback. You see price being rejected. Buy it and going up. Make money. Wait for a pullback. All right, heavy close. Don't trade this. Heavy close, medium close. Buy the little downtrend. Oh, well, like I said, this candle I wouldn't trade. If you see long wicks, these are called hammers. And when it shoots all the way up, all the way down, and it gets hammered back. Wait for price to show what it is. Because if you was wait to get down here, you wouldn't say yes. I believe that you would. Even though you would have been correct like a bitch, but you know how hard that is to catch. So don't even try risking it, right? So we wait for a pullback. You see it. We see that little doji close, right? It was said yes, would have made money. It was a very simple strategy to do. Very simple strategy. This could be used. The thief trade could be used with 5-minute candles, which are these, or you can even trade off the 5-minute candle and trade 20 minutes. Right? Think about it. Let's say I'm trading the uptrend, but it's a lot harder to trade the 5-minute chart for a 20-minute binary. Let's say you wait for the pullback. You go 5 minutes, right? You enter the trade here, and it's go 5. It's higher. 10, 15. Look, 20. It closes, right? It closes. So you wait for another pullback, right? You can enter here though. You got 5, 10, 15, 20. You in the money. Wait for a minor pullback. 5. It will be higher than this price. 5, 10, 15, 20 would have lost. Wait for a pullback. You would have won. You would have won here. You would have won here. So you always have to follow your strategy. It can work on the 5-minute and the 20-minute chart, guys. So that's basically how you trade the Thief Trader. Right there, pretty easy, pretty simple strategy. Everybody understand that? You can always, this video will be on YouTube, so you can always watch it and try to understand what I was trying to say if I was going too fast. I'm 15 minutes into the video. I said that was a good little short mini webinar for the Thief Trader. Like I said, these type of trades are meant for people who have full-time jobs or part-time jobs and they can't look at the charts all day. So you know, like I said, the time to enter. So the time you want to trade these are during lunch break hour and overnight, because overnight you're off of work, no one's working, no one's at the office making huge trades. It's easy to predict. And lunchtime, same thing. You're on lunch break. Everybody's on lunch break. No one's buying heavy power into the market. It's not going to make the market move. Okay. So lunchtime's probably 11 to 1, 12 to 1. Overnight hours is 6 to 11 p.m. And yeah. So like I said, just keep replaying this video, guys. Make sure you understand the concept. It's a very easy concept to use. All right. You want to use a smooth moving average of 50. An estimated moving average of 15 and an estimated moving average of 10, right? If you don't know what those are, this is not the video for it, but you could definitely look those videos up on YouTube, right? But another way to trade this for a 20-minute trade, now I only have these for 20 minutes. It don't make it down for 5 minutes. To me, honestly, I don't see. But 20-minute trade, wait till it crosses both, and then wait till the 15 EMA and the 10 EMA crosses the smooth moving average of 50, and then if it crosses above it, 20 minutes, go long. Right? You see 5, you make the trade, it closes, you enter trade here, 5, 10, 15, 20. You're in the money, you won. Right? Wait for a pullback, it's still above it, 5, 10, 15, 20, you won. Wait for a pullback right here, like I said, you would have lost right here. That's okay. And once you see it closes, bam, look. Wait for a pullback up to the uptrend. Right? Wait for it. Don't be greedy and be like, okay, cross and sold, because you want to follow the trend. But alright, guys, it's Dwayne Binary Trader. I hope that everybody got the answers to questions. It will be up on YouTube, so you can always rewatch the videos. But okay, guys, I will see you guys later. Subscribe and like for more videos. This is for YouTube. Subscribe and like more videos. If you're interested, join the team, join the gang. We gonna here to make money. We here to make everybody money. And binary options, the best thing to do. All right, guys. See you guys later. Let me close out. Where's my mouse at? I lost my mouse, guys. Oh my gosh. Where's my mouse? Oh shoot.